Okay, so today we're going to be looking at the Würth's 56-piece sockets and ratchets set. You'll notice straight away you've got the zebra quality badge there, which shows this is the highest quality coming from Würth itself. You'll notice full metal tin, which is really useful, so really rugged and durable. And as well as this, you've got your metal latches, so there's no likelihood of this popping open when you're carrying it and all the pieces are going to fall out. So let's take it and open it up. And what you'll see is on the inside, obviously we get 56 pieces of high quality tooling here. You'll see straight away you're presented with two ratchet systems. So you've got your 1/4 inch, you've got your small one, and then you've got your 1/2 inch larger one here. And when we get out the large ratchet, you'll see there's plenty of material on there. So that's quite a chunky boy there. So loads of material, that's going to definitely be able to take quite a nice piece of wear and tear. As I said, zebra quality on the front as well. And what we also see is we've also got the hard PU ergonomic grip handle, and you can see it's slightly shaped, so you get a really nice comfort grip there in your hand. Now, this is the one hand toggle select, so you do have your selector switch, which is a simple twist motion. So really simple to change direction. And if we listen to those teeth in there, okay, so we have 72 teeth inside, so that gives us our 5-degree increments when moving and utilizing. So micro adjustable, which is really nice. And it's exactly the same on the 1/4 inch ratchet as well. We still have the exact same ergonomic handle, comfort grip, nice load amount of material there. So a really strong, durable ratchet. And you have that one hand selector switch to adjust the direction. Now, in terms of the sockets themselves, in terms of what you get inside the set, so in our 1/2 inch selection up the top here, we effectively have ranging from 10mm all the way up to the large 32mm. And what's really useful about these sockets that I really like is, first of all, everything's printed on the socket, okay? So you can tell exactly what it is. But also when you look inside, you'll notice these little groove cutouts on the outside of the socket here. Now, this is Würth's patented power drive system. And what this does, this basically applies all of your torque, all of the pressure onto the flats of your bolt heads and nuts as opposed to the corners. So there's less likelihood of round over or damaging the actual heads of your nuts and bolts. And also this can be used and is really helpful to actually undo already rounded bolts. So really useful system integrated into the socket sets there. A real good show and a sign of high quality from Würth. It's exactly the same when we go down to our smaller sockets as well. So you'll see you still have those groove cutouts inside. If we get that a little bit closer and try and get it to focus for us, what we'll see is inside there you have the exact same. So let's see, can't quite get that to focus. If I pull it back, you'll see there we go, you've got those grooves inside. So really, really useful. You've also got extension bars inside, so you've got 2 lengths to adjust the length of your ratchet, and as well as that, you've got articulated joints, and that applies for the 1/2 inch and the 1/4 inch here. Also, you also get, for the 1/4 inch, you do get a bit adapter, so that takes it from 1/4 inch square for your ratchet into 1/4 inch hex. So also included, you've got your bit selection down the bottom here. So for handling things like Torx, standard hex, as well as Phillips and flat, all there for you to use in this one set. Another great feature inside this kit is you also get a 1/4 inch screwdriver, so which does have a square head on the end, so you can put your sockets on here, and this also has the lockable ball bearing. So that's going to prevent your sockets from falling off. Now, this can be converted using the adapter. Okay, we just pop that on there, and that will convert it into a standard screwdriver. But one of my favorite features about this is actually on the head itself. So what you'll see on the handle, you've also got a square 1/4 inch female insert here. And what this allows you to do is actually to connect your 1/4 inch ratchet directly to the screwdriver, and that allows you to get a load more torque onto that screwdriver and help you in those really difficult situations. So that's just a feature that I really like there. Also, you've got your ergonomic rubberized grip. These are super grippy, okay? So you can get loads of torque, loads of grip on those handles. It makes them super comfortable, and these are super durable as well. So that's pretty much the run through of the kit. Some of the last features about this that I really like is you do have a rubberized insert. It's not plastic and it's not foam, So it's really durable against oil, dirt and grime. Even using solvent cleaners isn't going to affect this insert. And what I like as well is this will pop directly out of the case and can go directly straight into your tool trolley. So that's a real nice piece. And last but not least, if we look inside the lids here, what you'll see is a breakdown of every component inside, almost like a shadow board. But what's really cool is you've got every individual product code for every piece in the kit. So if something goes missing, you know exactly what's missing and you've got the number there to reorder it from Würth. We also have maintenance instructions for the ratchets themselves. So they do have replacement kits for repair and maintenance, which is super nice. And you've got your barcodes there as well to scan and get those kits straight away. Now this kit can be upgraded. Würth do offer 2 additional options and you can actually upgrade the ratchets themselves inside. This is their entry-level ratchet. There's a mid one and there's a top-end one as well. So go check those out. But that is the Würth 56-piece ratchet set.